Hi everyone, this is my presentation on the reasons why I made the shift to Windows Vista. As we all know, Windows Vista is the latest iteration of Microsoft's operating system and is the successor to Windows XP. Now, one of the main reasons why I made the shift to Windows Vista was the user interface. While people may say that it's just a couple of jazzy, effects, but in the end, the user interface is what makes an experience of using the system. For a normal person who is using his PC for his everyday work, having a user interface that actually helps him become more productive is something that cannot be replaced by any other operating system, and Windows Vista really does that to the maximum extent. As you can see, Windows Vista sports the arrow interface, which makes it very glamorous to look at. But beneath all the glamour, there are certain little things that it does which makes it easier to use. For example, you can see that it actually keeps a note on what you're doing, and therefore it makes it more productive. Second reason why I made the shift to Windows Vista was the inbuilt software. In Windows XP, if I were to do something like create your own DVD from your own pictures or videos, or edit a movie, I would either need to look at certain alternatives like free software or download paid software. But in the end, I would have to download and install extra software. The advantage that Windows Vista gives you is that it's all inbuilt. You have it all in your PC, you just go ahead, boot it up, and you can start doing what you want. One of the most favorite software that I use is the Windows DVD Maker. I can just add pictures and video, and directly I can just set the theme, and I can have a video within, say, 30 minutes. It's not even 30 minutes, it's just that if I take time to go ahead and personalize it, it might take that much of time. So as an example, if I add a couple of pictures, I can directly go ahead, set a theme for how it should look, and I'll be ready to burn in 30 seconds? So that's what Windows Vista gives you. It gives you the ability to speed up your work as well as streamline it. The next favorite software that I use is, of course, Windows Live Mail. I have all my email accounts in the same place. I can blog, I can go ahead and chat with them using MSN Messenger. That's what we call convergence. It really helps a lot. Next most important software, in my opinion, is the Mobile Device Center. I use a Windows Mobile 6 device, and hence as a result I need to keep it synchronized with my PC. Windows Mobile Device Center helps me do that. Apart from that, I can go ahead and install software, remove software, as well as browse the device and add and remove files. As of now though, my PDA isn't connected because I have set it for charging. Let's move on. The next application that I use very often is the Windows Movie Maker. I have in fact used that very software to edit this presentation. To give a short example, I have added a few pictures, and I can add something like effects. Say for example, I'll select a mirror horizontal and add it to the picture. I can then go ahead and see a preview of the same effect directly. I've also added an effect to the second picture, so you can directly see it fading out. The application that I really use a lot is the Windows Photo Gallery. In Windows XP, you generally need to download software like Picasa or any other application to organize your digital photos as well as digital media like videos. In Windows Vista, it's all there for you to use out of the box. I have Windows Photo Gallery on which I can directly add my photos, and then it'll automatically sort them according to the tags or the date taken as well as the rating that I give to the photos. The best part is, through the same interface, I can go ahead and select the photos that I want, and I can either burn them onto a disk or I can make a movie from the selected images. Now that's ease of use. But not least, the reason why I use Windows Vista is the actual 64-bit performance and the performance gains that it has over Windows XP. As you can see, I'm probably running around 10 different applications at the same time, but Windows Vista isn't choking. It efficiently uses both the cores of my processors as well as the memory, although a bit less at the moment, effectively, and it's still going perfectly smooth. That's what gives it a great user experience.